When it comes to iconic aircraft, few names carry the weight and history of the Boeing 747. Often affectionately referred to as the Queen of the Skies, the 747 has been a staple of long-haul aviation for decades, connecting continents and redefining air travel. The 2026 iteration of the Boeing 747 brings together decades of experience, innovation, and advanced technology, creating a machine that is as impressive in the air as it is on the tarmac. Today, we'll dive deep into what makes the 2026 Boeing 747 stand out, covering its design, performance, features, and unique elements that could make it a favorite among airlines and passengers alike. At first glance, the 2026 Boeing 747 retains the classic silhouette that has become instantly recognizable worldwide. The iconic hump on the upper deck, which historically housed first-class cabins and lounges, remains a signature feature, but it has been refined for modern use. The upper deck now offers more flexible seating options, allowing airlines to configure it for premium economy, business class, or even private suites depending on passenger demand. One of the most noticeable changes is the sleeker nose design, which reduces drag while giving the aircraft a slightly more futuristic look. This subtle modification may go unnoticed by casual observers, but it significantly contributes to fuel efficiency and aerodynamic performance. The wings of the 2026 Boeing 747 have also undergone substantial refinement. They are longer and feature advanced winglets designed to reduce turbulence and increase lift-to-drag ratio. These winglets not only improve fuel efficiency but also enhance stability during turbulence, making for a smoother flight experience for passengers. The new wing design allows the aircraft to carry heavier loads over longer distances, reinforcing the 747's reputation as a true long-haul workhorse. Engineers have employed advanced composite materials in key parts of the wing structure, which helps reduce overall weight without compromising strength. This means airlines can carry more passengers or cargo while consuming less fuel, an increasingly important factor in today's environmentally conscious aviation industry. One of the most significant upgrades in the 2026 747 is its propulsion system. The aircraft comes equipped with next-generation high-bypass turbofan engines, which deliver more thrust while being quieter and more fuel-efficient than previous models. Passengers will notice a significant reduction in cabin noise during takeoff and cruising, making for a more comfortable flight experience. These engines also produce fewer emissions, aligning with global efforts to reduce aviation's environmental footprint. From a performance perspective, the 747 can reach cruising speeds of around 570 miles per hour and maintain a maximum range of over 8,000 nautical miles, enabling non-stop flights between distant cities such as New York and Singapore or London and Los Angeles. Inside, the 2026 Boeing 747 offers a cabin experience that balances luxury with practicality. Advances in cabin pressurization and humidity control make long-haul flights more comfortable, reducing fatigue and jet lag for passengers. LED ambient lighting throughout the cabin can adjust according to time of day, simulating sunrise and sunset to help regulate passengers' circadian rhythms. The layout is highly modular, allowing airlines to choose seating arrangements that maximize comfort or capacity. Business class seats now offer fully lie-flat options with enhanced privacy, while economy class benefits from improved ergonomics and increased legroom. The aircraft also includes the latest in in-flight entertainment technology, with high-speed connectivity and touchscreen systems available in all cabin classes. Cargo and operational flexibility are also key strengths of the 2026 Boeing 747. While passengers often get the spotlight, airlines value the 747 for its immense cargo capacity. The lower deck has been redesigned to accommodate larger and heavier freight, and the aircraft can carry over 140 tons of cargo in mixed passenger cargo configurations. The updated cargo doors and automated loading systems make turnaround times faster and more efficient, an essential consideration for airlines looking to maximize fleet utilization. Whether carrying passengers, cargo, or a combination of both, the 747 remains one of the most versatile commercial aircraft available. Safety has always been a cornerstone of Boeing's design philosophy, and the 2026 747 is no exception. The aircraft is equipped with the latest avionics, including advanced flight management systems, real-time diagnostics, and predictive maintenance alerts. Pilots benefit from highly intuitive cockpit displays, automated systems that reduce workload, and enhanced navigation tools for all weather and nighttime operations. Redundancy is built into nearly every critical system, meaning that even in the unlikely event of a component failure, the aircraft can safely continue to its destination. Modern fly-by-wire controls have been integrated alongside traditional systems, giving pilots precise handling capabilities while maintaining a familiar interface. From an environmental standpoint, the 2026 Boeing 747 represents a notable step forward. In addition to fuel-efficient engines, the aircraft employs lightweight composite materials extensively throughout the fuselage and wings, reducing overall weight and emissions. Noise-reducing engine nacelles and optimized aerodynamics contribute to quieter operations at airports, a factor increasingly important in urban areas where noise restrictions are strict. Boeing has also explored sustainable aviation fuels with the 2026 model, allowing airlines to reduce carbon footprint without compromising performance or range. For airlines, one of the most compelling aspects of the 2026 747 is its operational versatility. The aircraft can perform ultra-long-haul flights, but it is equally capable on shorter, high-density routes thanks to improved engine responsiveness and fuel efficiency. Maintenance schedules are streamlined thanks to predictive analytics and real-time system monitoring, reducing downtime and costs. Boeing has also focused on making the aircraft easier to retrofit for emerging technologies, meaning the 747 can evolve alongside the aviation industry rather than becoming outdated. Aesthetically, the cabin experience is modern and inviting, blending advanced technology with comfort. Large panoramic windows allow more natural light into the cabin, while quiet, climate-controlled zones enhance passenger comfort. The upper deck lounges, a hallmark of the 747 experience, have been reimagined as social spaces with flexible seating, allowing travelers to relax, work, or enjoy premium services mid-flight. Advanced air filtration systems ensure cleaner cabin air, a feature that has become particularly important in recent years. The unique selling points of the 2026 Boeing 747 are clear. Its combination of range, payload, passenger comfort, and operational flexibility is unmatched in most segments of the aviation market. While many aircraft are designed either for high efficiency or luxury, the 747 balances both, making it attractive to airlines operating in multiple market segments. Its proven reliability, iconic design, and continuous evolution make it not just a mode of transport but a symbol of aviation history and innovation. For aviation enthusiasts and frequent travelers, the 2026 Boeing 747 offers a tangible connection to decades of flight history while showcasing the cutting-edge technology of today. Flying on this aircraft is about more than getting from point A to point B, it's about experiencing a journey that combines engineering excellence, luxury, and efficiency. Passengers notice the difference in quietness, space, and smooth handling during turbulence, while pilots and crew appreciate the intuitive controls, reliability, and advanced monitoring systems that make every flight safer and more predictable. In conclusion, the 2026 Boeing 747 is more than just an update to a legendary aircraft, it is a reimagining that respects the past while embracing the future. It integrates advanced engines, aerodynamic refinements, and state-of-the-art cabin design to create an airplane that performs exceptionally well across a wide range of missions. Airlines benefit from reduced operational costs, enhanced efficiency, and versatility, while